Hello, I'm Derek Vogel, founder and CEO of Credit Absolute, and we help individuals like you get credit approvals. I have over 15 years of credit knowledge, expertise, proven results, and getting people approved. On average, we see our client scores increase 40 to 100 points in 30 to 90 days, extremely fast. And when people inquire with us, we actually answer the phone and they speak with a certified credit expert, not a person from a call center. 95% of our clients register online and we do their credit audit over the phone, but we do have clients who want to meet in person and talk face to face, and that's not a problem. We have our office in North Scottsdale where you are welcome to come visit us. Schedule your credit audit now by submitting your information right next to this video and we will call you right away. Plus, when you register, I will send you a free version of my ebook, How to Get a 780 Credit Score and Keep It. We look forward to creating credit approvals for you. And one last tip, 90% of credit reports are wrong.